Hey Paco, how's your day going?
Doing great, Jeff.
Excellent. What are you drinking there today?
Coffee.
Oh, you do not need coffee. You're too wound up. I had tea. You can have that.
Excellent. Hi, my name is Paco Palop, and I'm with Genpro Advanced Technologies.
And I'm Jeff with GenPro Energy Solutions.
So, Jeff, tell me a little more about Genpro Energy Solutions.
GenPro Energy Solutions is a vertically integrated energy technology company. And what is GenPro Tech?
We're an engineering and manufacturing company.
Well, that's excellent. Let's take a little of our knowledge and educate our audience.
Excellent. Hi, my name is Paco Palop, and I'm with Genpro Advanced Technologies.
And I'm Jeff with GenPro Energy Solutions. Paco, we have a couple of lights here. They look the same.
Well, Jeff, I'm going to talk to you about two different types of technologies that exist today for flat panels. One is an edge-lit panel, and the other one is a backlit panel. So let me start with some of the uniqueness of the edge-lit. As the name says, basically in the edge-lit, you have LED strips along the edges, primarily along the long edges.
Makes sense.
So that's one of the reasons why you're able to have very thin panels.
Yeah, that's only about a half inch. That's pretty thin.
Right. Now, however, what happens in these panels is that you typically have a power supply in the back, which is an additional 2 to 2.5 inches.
Okay, so our overall thickness roughly 2.5 to 3?
2.5 to 3 inches.
Okay.
Okay, and you can actually hang this panel either from the edges. You can have extension legs, or you can put this into a typical troffer.
So hang it from a chain if you'd like, or whatever, if you do not have a troffer.
Exactly.
Okay.
Now, in the backlit panel, one of the uniqueness of this is that obviously you have your bezel and you have your diffuser. However, instead of having the LEDs on the edges, you actually have the LEDs in strips along the entire back panel.
Makes sense.
And on top of each one of these LEDs, you typically will find an optic. And what that allows the panel to do is to have a very uniform light distribution.
So rather than seeing a little LED square, I'm not going to notice it.
You're not going to notice it. Now, one of the primary differences is that in an edge-lit panel, over time, what you're going to find is a dark spot along the center of the panel.
That's interesting.
Now, you're not going to see that on a backlit.
Because of more LEDs in the back of the panel.
And the uniform distribution of the LEDs in the back.
Is that just inherent to the design of the light?
It's inherent to the technology.
Okay.
And it's inherent to the fact that in the edge lid, you only have LEDs along the edges, versus in the backlit, you have LEDs across the entire surface of the panel.
So basically the thickness on them is the same.
Very much so.
As far as depth.
Correct. And however, you'll find that the quality of light is by far better on a backlit than you would find on an edge lid.
So it's just a matter of where they want to use the light and what kind of light they would
Correct.
like.
You will find that today most of both panels are actually used for retrofitting troffers. So
a recessed light in a ceiling or something like
that.
It's
is
an easy
correct.
replacement for that.
That is correct. Now, if you have any other questions, please reach us at info@genprotech.com.
Thank you for your time today.